Zoe, I'm a doctor. I want you to focus on slowing down your breathing. Through your nose, out through your mouth.
Hi, Michael. I'm Marina Barnett. Commander of the ship. Do you remember what happened on the pad?
I'm the launch support engineer, Nev. How long was I out?
We took off about 12 hours ago.
12 hours. We gotta get back to my sister, please. My sister, she's alone. Please, I gotta get back.
We're not going back.
What do you mean we're not going back? This is a 2-year mission.
2 years is a long time to be away, but this is the opportunity of a lifetime.
Can learn fast.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We are taking the first steps to being able to call Mars a second home.
We're sorry that you missed the filet mignon, but this is the next best thing. We think it's spaghetti.
I should warn you now that Zoe thinks she's the in-flight entertainment.
There's no easy way to say this. Life support is damaged permanently. We only have enough oxygen aboard for 3 people.
Everyone on board will suffocate before we ever make it to Mars.
Hey, Ava. I gotta face the fact that I'm not gonna be there with you.
This research is years of our lives. Are we sure we want to throw it all away?
How much time do we have before it's too late?
20 days.
I think we should put ourselves at risk.
For their sanity. They need to try this.
This is hopeless.
That is
There's no way for all of us to survive.
It's imperative that we try.